Fresh juice has become one of the most popular healthy drinks in Kenya. As more people become aware of the importance of healthy living, many consumers are replacing sugary soft drinks with natural fruit juices. This change in consumer behavior has created an excellent business opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to start a small business with relatively low capital. A juice business can be started from a small kiosk, a roadside stand, a shopping center, a market, or even from home before expanding into a larger operation. One of the biggest advantages of the juice business is that Kenya has an abundant supply of fruits throughout the year. Fruits such as mangoes, pineapples, oranges, passion fruits, watermelons, bananas, avocados, lemons, and tree tomatoes are readily available in different parts of the country. This steady supply allows business owners to produce a wide variety of juice flavors and combinations that appeal to different customers. Before investing your money, it is important to understand how the juice business works. Many people assume that selling juice is simply a matter of buying fruits, blending them, and selling the final product. While this is true at a basic level, a successful juice business requires proper planning, quality control, good customer service, attractive packaging, and effective marketing. The entrepreneurs who succeed in this industry are usually those who treat it as a serious business, rather than a side activity. The first step is conducting market research. Market research helps you understand customer preferences, identify competitors, and determine whether your chosen location can support a juice business. Visit existing juice vendors in your area and observe the products they sell. Pay attention to their prices, customer traffic, busiest hours, and most popular flavors. Speak to potential customers and ask them what they would like to see in a juice business. This information will help you make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Choosing the right location is one of the most important decisions you will make. A great location can significantly increase your chances of success. Areas with high foot traffic are usually ideal because they provide a constant flow of potential customers. Shopping centers, bus stations, office complexes, universities, hospitals, markets, and residential neighborhoods are often good locations for a juice business. The best location depends on your target market. For example, if you plan to sell premium healthy juices and smoothies, opening near office buildings or fitness centers may be a better choice than operating in a low-income neighborhood. Once you have identified a suitable location, the next step is determining how much capital you need. The amount required depends on the size of the business. A small roadside juice stand can be started with between 30,000 Kenya shillings and 80,000 Kenya shillings. A juice kiosk may require between 80,000 Kenya shillings and 200,000 Kenya shillings. A well-equipped juice bar can require between 200,000 Kenya shillings and 800,000 Kenya shillings or more. Entrepreneurs planning to establish a bottled juice manufacturing business may need several million Kenya shillings. The largest startup expenses usually include rent, equipment, licenses, initial stock, furniture, and branding. It is advisable to prepare a detailed budget before spending any money. This helps you avoid overspending and ensures you have enough working capital to support the business during the first few months. Quality equipment is essential for producing fresh and consistent juice. At a minimum, you will need a blender or juicer, cutting boards, knives, storage containers, measuring cups, and a refrigerator. If your business grows, you may invest in commercial juicers, cold press machines, bottle sealing equipment, and display refrigerators. Good equipment not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the quality of the final product. The choice of fruits can greatly influence your profitability. Some fruits provide higher juice yields than others. Pineapples, oranges, watermelons, and passion fruits are among the most popular choices because customers enjoy their taste and they can be blended into many combinations. Experimenting with unique recipes can help differentiate your business from competitors. For example, combinations such as pineapple and ginger, mango and passion fruit, watermelon and mint, or orange and carrot often attract customers looking for something different. One important factor that many new entrepreneurs overlook is fruit sourcing. Your profits depend heavily on your ability to obtain quality fruits at reasonable prices. Instead of buying small quantities from retail vendors every day, consider building relationships with farmers and wholesalers. Purchasing fruits in bulk can significantly reduce your costs and increase profit margins. Establishing reliable supplier relationships also helps ensure a consistent supply throughout the year. Maintaining hygiene and food safety standards is critical in the juice business. Customers expect fresh, clean, and safe products. Dirty preparation areas or poor handling practices can quickly damage your reputation. Always wash fruits thoroughly before processing them. Keep equipment clean and sanitize surfaces regularly. Staff members should maintain high personal hygiene standards and wear appropriate protective clothing when handling food products. Registering your business and obtaining the necessary permits is another important step. Depending on your location and business model, you may need a business permit from your county government, a food hygiene permit, and food handler certification. Compliance with local regulations helps prevent legal problems and demonstrates professionalism to customers. As your business grows, additional approvals may be required, especially if you intend to distribute bottled products on a larger scale. Pricing is one of the most challenging aspects of running a juice business. If your prices are too high, customers may choose competitors. If your prices are too low, your profits may suffer. To determine appropriate prices, calculate all production costs, including fruits, packaging, rent, labor, electricity, transportation, and other expenses. After calculating costs, add a reasonable profit margin. Many juice vendors sell cups of juice for between 50 Kenya shillings and 300 Kenya shillings, depending on the size, ingredients, and location. Packaging plays a major role in customer perception. Attractive packaging can increase the perceived value of your products and encourage repeat purchases. Clear bottles allow customers to see the freshness of the juice. Branded labels create a professional image and help customers remember your business. Eco-friendly packaging options are becoming increasingly popular among environmentally conscious consumers. Marketing is essential for attracting customers and growing your business. Even the best juice products will struggle if potential customers do not know they exist. Social media platforms provide affordable marketing opportunities for small businesses. Posting attractive photos and videos of your products can help build awareness and attract customers. Creating accounts on social media platforms and regularly engaging with followers can increase visibility and generate sales. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the most powerful promotional tools in Kenya. Satisfied customers often recommend businesses to friends, family members, and colleagues. This makes customer satisfaction extremely important. Always focus on delivering excellent service, maintaining product quality, and addressing customer concerns promptly. A happy customer can become your best salesperson. Offering free samples is another effective marketing strategy. When people taste your products and enjoy them, they are more likely to make a purchase. Sampling campaigns work particularly well in busy shopping areas, markets, and events. Promotional discounts, loyalty programs, and referral rewards can also encourage repeat business. Technology can help improve efficiency and customer convenience. Many businesses now use mobile payment solutions because customers prefer cashless transactions. Accepting digital payments can make purchasing easier and improve customer satisfaction. Keeping accurate records of sales and expenses is also important for monitoring business performance and making informed decisions. One of the biggest challenges in the juice business is managing spoilage. Fruits are perishable and can deteriorate quickly if not handled properly. Poor inventory management can result in significant losses. To reduce wastage, buy inventory based on expected demand rather than purchasing excessive quantities. Monitor stock levels carefully and rotate inventory so older fruits are used first. Seasonal fluctuations can also affect operations. Certain fruits may become more expensive during specific periods of the year. Successful entrepreneurs plan ahead by identifying alternative suppliers and adjusting their product offerings when necessary. Flexibility can help maintain profitability during challenging periods. Customer preferences continue to evolve, creating opportunities for innovation. Many consumers now seek specialized products such as sugar-free juices, detox drinks, immune-boosting beverages, protein smoothies, and organic options. Staying informed about market trends can help you identify new opportunities and maintain a competitive advantage. As your business grows, consider diversifying your product range. In addition to fresh juice, you can sell smoothies, fruit salads, fruit bowls, milkshakes, detox drinks, and healthy snacks. Diversification can increase revenue and reduce dependence on a single product category. Customers often appreciate having multiple options available in one location. Delivery services represent another growth opportunity. Many busy professionals prefer having fresh juice delivered to their homes or workplaces. Partnering with delivery providers or employing your own delivery personnel can expand your customer base and increase sales. Subscription packages that provide regular deliveries can create predictable income streams and improve customer retention. Building a strong brand is essential for long-term success. A memorable business name, attractive logo, professional packaging, and consistent customer experience can help differentiate your business from competitors. Branding creates trust and makes it easier for customers to recognize and recommend your products. Financial management is equally important. Many promising businesses fail because owners do not track their finances properly. Maintain accurate records of income and expenses. Separate personal and business finances whenever possible. Regularly review financial performance and identify areas where costs can be reduced or efficiency improved. Good financial management supports sustainable growth and helps avoid cash flow problems. Networking with other entrepreneurs can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Joining business groups, attending trade events, and participating in entrepreneurship forums can help you learn from experienced business owners. Networking may also lead to partnerships, supplier connections, and new customers. Success in the juice business rarely happens overnight. Building a loyal customer base takes time, effort, and consistency. Some days may be slower than others, and challenges will arise. However, entrepreneurs who remain committed to quality, customer service, and continuous improvement often achieve long-term success. The future of the juice industry in Kenya remains promising. Increasing urbanization, growing health awareness, and rising demand for convenient healthy beverages continue to create opportunities for new businesses. Entrepreneurs who understand customer needs, maintain high standards, and adapt to changing market conditions are well positioned to succeed. Starting a juice business in Kenya can be a rewarding venture for individuals seeking financial independence and business growth. With proper planning, quality products, effective marketing, and sound financial management, even a small juice stand can develop into a thriving enterprise. By focusing on customer satisfaction and maintaining a commitment to excellence, you can build a profitable business that serves your community while generating sustainable income for many years to come.